I can't remember what year it was. The RAC program was another brilliant one. Still viable to this moment, even more viable today. That was, you take, I'll date it because it was in the 80s. You take a Oldsmobile, Chevrolet, Monte Carlo, Supreme, Pontiac, yada, yada, yada. And every dealer's got some on his lot which are beat up. Rode hard, put away wet. Okay, in I think it's Gainesville, Gainesville. Anyway, in Florida, I found a plant with the railroad siding that was about 100,000 feet that we could come in there, and the deal was it was RAC, R-A-C, Remanufactured American Car. And what they did, they come in, they're torn down, the engines are pulled. Jasper Engines that took the deal to build the engines. Train carload at a time. Using all 350s or GM configuration engines. Transmissions, we had a transmission guy. We had interiors set up, we could make them. They would all be repainted with their original color, according to their serial number, and sold back to the dealer for $8,800. All the work was warranted by Goodyear, all over America, and that was contracted too. Now that was a hell of a deal because people, a lot of folks can't go out and pay $30,000 for a goddamn car. Especially when you get through with Obama and what he's doing to our world, and everybody's working a part-time job and making $7 an hour. Okay, change it to 10, who cares? It's all relative. There's no such thing as raising a salary by itself in America. Not for everybody that works for minimum wage. That's insane. Economics 101, lowest class you want to talk about. We'll tell you that is not a marketable program. So here you go, you do this thing, and Malcolm had, we can sell this car back with a warranty, we can make money, the dealer gets rid of a piece that he cannot sell because it's over 100,000 miles or 200,000, whatever. Everybody gets a tire, everybody gets a new interior, everybody gets a new paint job, get a new motor, warranty. Service by Goodyear. How cool is that? A great idea.
What was the profit margin on per car on average?
About $400 per car for us, net, after man. I did the man part. I did the layout. It was all computers. But that one there, although John knows I hate them, I knew that I had to do it that way. I had to tear the cars down, I had to categorize them, and I had to package everything out and back without changing, without touching it, other than pushing the thing off the tray. In other words, we did not have to have skilled labor. We didn't build the motors there. We didn't do anything that took any high dollar tooling. The highest dollar tooling we had was a hoist. And I could do it with 50-some people. Tear them down and put them together. In an assembly line, tight stand with a car wash conveyor. Don't need nothing fancy, just as long as they keep moving. You cannot allow them not to move. You can't station build.